Hi there, this is Srigant Dasari. So, in this lesson, we are going to look into various resources available on social media sites like Facebook and YouTube for computer science subjects like data structures, programming in C, OOPS with C++, Java, and a whole lot of programming tutorials available in YouTube. Okay, so first let me launch the browser here, Google Chrome. Okay, so if you type practical and efficient data structures, okay, so if you type practical and efficient data structures, the very first link you will be redirected is a Facebook page which contains a lot of information. Okay, so this is the Facebook page which purpose is dedicated only for the subject data structures, which is very essential subject for all computer science students around the world. So it has got a huge collection of information regarding all kinds of data structures like linked list, stack, queue, and it's a regularly updated page with a whole lot of best information available on the internet. Okay, so it has got some 520 plus likes here, and it's going like crazy on Facebook regarding the subject data structures. Okay, so yeah, even though you don't have a Facebook account also, you can browse with all the information here. Like if you click on the photos, you get a whole lot of posts in the form of photos here. So if you look into this one, bigger complexity, like operations and elements, and how the complexity of time complexity of algorithms growing nature of time complexity of algorithms here. Okay, so in the same way you have performance related picks post like CPU memory performance, so how over the years respect to years, so how the gap between the processors and the memory processing capabilities of the system and the memory capacity is growing, is shown in this wonderful graph here. Okay, so it's like that you have so different picks related to different topics in data structures. Like if you see this one here, which data structure, list is a data structure, tree is a non-linear data structure, binary search tree, and respect to time complexities and their operations and so on and so forth. You find here in the next pick here, so whatever the use of data structure like array, so you can use an array data structure to fix with fixed size. Whenever the situation you need to use an array data structure is when you require a fixed number of elements should be processed by an index. Okay, so in the same way, when you don't know the size of your list, you go to prefer to use linked lists, because it's there in the concept of linked lists, the memory is allocated dynamically. Okay, so if I keep on talking on this subject, it takes a whole lot of whole lot day here. Okay, so if you log in into this Facebook page with my credentials, since I have liked the page already, so already I have got 2 notifications here. Okay, and here the another resource we are going to watch now is regarding on C programming here. So if you type C programming for engineers, okay, so this is the page, another page, a good resource for engineers out there in the world. So even though you don't have a Facebook account, or else first let me log out and show it to you. So if I log out of the Facebook account, so even though you don't have, since I have bookmarked here already, C programming for engineers, so you can watch and browse this page. It has also got some huge information regarding C programming language, like data types and their sizes and everything, concepts and all concepts for C programming language out there. And it has also got some 221 likes. It's growing rapidly among the engineering students and professionals around the world. And also again, if you log in with my credentials and if you type another page like object-oriented programming, it's CPP and Java. Okay, so here this is another page, a wonderful good resource on object-oriented programming with C++ and Java out there. So it has also got the main theme of this page is to promote object-oriented programming concepts with C++ and Java. So here you have a whole lot of posts relating the OOPS concepts in both where they are similar in both C++ and Java. Overall OOPS concepts, okay, and you can browse a whole lot of information, whatever you have within this page here. Okay, so feel free to share the information with others, like as we have seen in other pages. So if you want, you can like the page, and you can can comment on individual posts, and you can like the posts and share it among all other social media websites in the world here. Okay, so the next resource we are going to see is tutorials channel available in YouTube, which is known as Dasari Tudes, the name of the channel. Okay, so if you press Dasari, type Dasari Tudes and press enter here, so you get this very first link here. So if you navigate through that, so you go to that channel here. Okay, so this is the way looks like. That's my pick here, since I am the person who created it. Okay, so here you have a whole lot of collection of tutorials on all programming languages. So if you click on the playlists button here, I'm getting a whole lot of notifications. I'm just logging out of this Facebook page here. So if you click on the playlists here, you have 10 different playlists. The very first one is MySQL, because it is created very recently. And you have to click on the videos, you get the whole lot of collection of 93 videos here. Okay, so it has already 93 videos. So many of the videos are very in the very early stages. I mean, they will be updated regularly here. Okay, so if you take HTML here, so you can learn HTML happily from this playlist here. So if you click on that, and you can learn the introduction part, and you can also, there are images and image tag in HTML. You have a tutorial on that. And if you feel free to share this kind of tutorial in all your Facebook and social media websites, and also feel free to comment on the videos here. Okay, since I didn't log in here, if I click on the comment, it asks me to log in. Okay, so again I'm going to the home page of my page here. It has got some 8,500 plus views, and it has got some very low subscribers. So the one thing you do is immediately as soon as you enter this page, you click subscribe button here. Okay, so if you click on the subscribe button, you stay updated with all the latest add-ons or playlists or information updated in this page here. Okay, so it has got some 93 videos. If you click on the video manager, so it shows the count of the videos here since I have logged in. Okay, so these are the resources available on Facebook for computer science subjects like data structures, C programming, and object-oriented programming. So feel free to like these pages and like the videos within this YouTube page, comment on them, share them on all the other social media websites. Okay, so what I'm doing is just I'm opening all the pages once again for you. The very first one we have seen is data structures for which is titled as practical and efficient data structures. If you type practical and efficient data structures on Facebook or Google search, so it leads you to the very first page, and the next one is C programming for engineers, and the last page dedicated for object-oriented programming with C++ and Java. Okay, so this are the stuff. Those are the tools for learning programming tutorials. If you click on the playlist, you get the list of languages like PHP, MySQL, C++, C. Okay, so also if you go to C#, newly created playlist here. So if you go to C here, so the very first video has already got 1,000 plus views here. Okay, 1,000 plus views, and it has got some 50 plus videos dedicated only on C programming language, which will be constantly updated. Okay, so this is a traditional series because I have created this series as the very first series here, so I don't want to disturb that. Okay, so these are the resources available on the internet, so you can feel free, or else I just block the sound. Extra solutions for the research. So I don't think that they are speechless. Every video has some my voice with recorded lecture of the actions performed on the screen. Okay, so these are the resources. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.